Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country. So why OpenAI services are not available in your country? If you notice the OpenAI not available in your country error every time you access the website, then it's because the website accessibility is not available in your location or country. OpenAI is available in most countries but not at all. So here's how to fix that. The first method is the most obvious one, is to use a VPN. This way you can connect to a country that ChatGPT hasn't banned, and then you can use ChatGPT. Here are some VPN options you can go with: ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, or you can create your own personal internet access. Method 2 is to use ChatGPT in private mode for your web browser. So here's what you need to do. You need to combine this method with a good VPN access and then open Chrome on your device. Tap on the three dots available on the right side of your screen and click on New Incognito window. Now you need to visit the OpenAI site and log in or sign up. Third method is to contact ChatGPT support. As mentioned, OpenAI is available in most countries, and OpenAI keeps updating its website and tries adding more countries to enhance the accessibility of its application. I'm going to be showing you a list of countries that ChatGPT is available in, but if you want, you can contact them and tell them to add your country to the list. Method 4 is to use another web browser. If you're unable to access OpenAI, you can try access the website by using a different web browser that cooperates with OpenAI, such as Microsoft Edge. And these are the countries that OpenAI is available in. If you don't see your country on this list, then that means that ChatGPT is not available yet. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description and also leave a like, comment and subscribe.